Before you buy the Sierra Wireless eSIM for your international travel, there are 12 things you need to know. This will help you compare it to other eSIM options so you can make the right choice for your needs. First up, Sierra Wireless offers a solid international eSIM service. The main advantage of eSIMs is that they allow you to switch carriers without having to physically swap SIM cards. Unlike traditional SIM cards, Sierra Wireless's eSIM is already embedded into your device, which makes it perfect for travelers. However, compared to competitors like Airalo or GigSky, Sierra Wireless doesn't have as many network partners, so you might not get the same coverage in more remote areas. Next thing to note is the ease of setup. The Sierra Wireless eSIM is relatively easy to install, but unlike some competitors, you might need to manually scan a QR code for activation. With others like Airalo, installation can be done through their app, making the process even faster and more seamless for users on the go. The third thing to consider is compatibility. Sierra Wireless offers great support for newer phones, but it may not work with all older models. If you're using an older phone, you might want to double-check compatibility, as this could be a deal breaker. In comparison, other eSIM providers like Airalo have broader device compatibility. Fourth thing, coverage and data speed. While Sierra Wireless covers over 100 countries, its speeds might not always match the premium services provided by others, like GigSky, which partners with high-speed 4G LTE networks globally. Depending on where you're traveling, this could impact your experience, so it's important to research which provider offers better speeds in the regions you plan to visit. The fifth thing is pricing. Sierra Wireless's pricing is often competitive, but can get expensive depending on the data plan you choose. When comparing to alternatives, like Airalo, you might find that Sierra Wireless offers fewer budget-friendly options, so it's essential to weigh the cost against the data and coverage you actually need. Sixth thing is data packages. Sierra Wireless offers flexible data packages, but they may not always be as cost-effective for short-term trips. If you're only traveling for a week or two, services like Airalo's pay-as-you-go pricing might be more economical for short stays. The seventh thing to consider is customer support. Sierra Wireless's customer support is generally good, but competitors like Airalo have built their entire reputation on easy-to-reach, 24/7 support. If you ever run into an issue while traveling, you might find Airalo's responsiveness to be a big plus. The eighth thing is multi-country support. While Sierra Wireless does offer plans that work in multiple countries, some other eSIM providers offer more extensive multi-country options, so you're not limited by your choice of region. This can be a big plus for those with extensive travel plans across many countries. Next thing is that Sierra Wireless works with some carriers to offer local plans at competitive rates. This can sometimes be a benefit when you're looking for an eSIM option that can give you a more local experience. However, when compared to global eSIM providers like Airalo, Sierra Wireless's local carrier connections can feel limited. The 10th thing to note is flexibility with your plan. Sierra Wireless offers flexibility in terms of data packages, but compared to services like GigSky, they might not offer as many options for people who need both short-term and long-term plans. If flexibility is a priority, you may want to consider a competitor. The 11th thing is the user interface. Sierra Wireless's platform is functional, but not as user-friendly as some other options. Platforms like Airalo are designed to be super intuitive, especially for first-time users, and it may be worth considering this if you want an easier, more intuitive experience. And the 12th thing you need to know is that Sierra Wireless does offer a free trial for its service. While this is great, it's still worth comparing to competitors, especially when considering the coverage, speed, and cost. Airalo, for example, offers a robust free trial with clear data limits to help you make a more informed decision. To sum up, Sierra Wireless is a good option for international travel, especially if you're looking for an eSIM that works well in popular travel destinations. But if you're looking for more coverage, flexibility, and better pricing, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.